Hi everyone, welcome to this session of this episode of Love Thy RCs. We are going to do a philosophy passage, but please don't hate me for it because although the passage looks a little dense, it is not that difficult and the questions are definitely not difficult. So what is the topic? चलिए मैं अभी आपको बताती हूँ, but पहले ये gospel देख लो आप, understand the main idea and all, ये सारे points हर बार बोलती हूँ. By now these should be firmly etched in your memory and in your RC का placard. अभी टॉपिक अपना ये है मॉडर्न थियोरीज ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग माइंड्स as if we want to understand other people's minds. Why do we need to? This is academic philosophy and the level is pretty moderate because as I said the questions are not that difficult. What does the passage look like? Like this. Starts with Rousseau. आज का आपका रीडिंग टॉपिक है रूसो, थियोरी ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस एंड दिस कॉगिटो ergo sum. Okay, ये सब familiarity अगर पहले से है ना, the moment you see this passage you will be like, oh wow, it's like pretty cool, it's going to be a walk in the park. But hold your horses. अभी आगे चलते हैं. So Rousseau, we are just kind of glancing at the passage and trying to understand what it is all about. So philosophical perspective, social understanding, Reidian. Okay, both approaches. Okay, so there are two approaches before this and they both have been criticized for something, all right. So this is going to be the author's opinion. Now, क्वेश्चन नंबर वन, जस्ट टेकिंग अ लुक एट द क्वेश्चंस. अभी मैंने पूरा पढ़ा नहीं, पढ़ा पूरा क्या बिल्कुल भी नहीं पढ़ा. वी आर गोइंग टू गो बैक एंड डू अवर स्मार्ट रीडिंग, एक्टिव रीडिंग, क्विक रीडिंग. बट फर्स्ट वी नीड टू नो व्हाट द क्वेश्चंस लुक लाइक. Which of the following describes the difference between this and this? So this is a specific info question. कहीं ना कहीं पे mention है ये एक पैरा में. Okay. Then those who support the lay conception of this are more likely to believe which of this. Okay. लंबा लग रहा है ये question, इसको हम last के लिए रखते हैं. Which one of the following, if false, would negate the Reidian perspective of compassion? This is critical reasoning. How do we do this? If false को सबसे पहले we make it if true. When we convert it to if true, this becomes support. Got it? So which of the following, if true, would negate the Reidian perspective, or sorry, which of the following, if true, would support the Reidian perspective? Okay, so Reidian perspective हम पहले देख लेंगे जाके वो क्या है, वो तभी रीडिंग में पता चल जाएगा and then we will support it. Genuine this, which of the following is most aligned? Simple language बोले तो what can you infer from this line? So we need to keep an eye out for this line when we are reading. Genuine second person engagement is this internal process. Our questions का sneak peek हो गया. Please note that I have not checked the options and you don't need to do that in the beginning. Now, what does the passage say? Rousseau thought that individuals only comprehend their own consciousness, the famous this, as the foundation of all understanding. So Rousseau said, हम अपना ही सोच सकते हैं. We are aware of only our consciousness. ठीक है? No straightforward method. उसका कहना था no. To comprehend what is occurring in the consciousness of others. Consciousness is the mind, the active mind of others. Comprehending what individuals, okay, then Thomas Reid comes into the picture. यहाँ एक लाइन मैंने skim कर दिया because it's not important. You will learn this with practice. Thomas Reid comes into the picture and then he says, he challenges Rousseauian theory and he says, compassion is a mechanism on which we can kind of understand people's consciousness. There is a question connected with this critical reasoning wala. So I need to come back that time and read it. Thomas Reid says, okay, compassion is a mechanism, similarity and logical reasoning based on this. The concept is that when we experience compassion, we begin by observing, I'm not reading this. When I do that question, Reidian theory of compassion, I'll come back and then I'll check. We finally determine that the other individual must be in a comparable mental condition based on how our bodies and minds are associated. Comparable, he says, compassion अगर हम ले लेते हैं तो we are able to empathize with the other person. इतना ही इसमें समझ में आ रहा है with two lines that I read. Experience compassion. We begin by observing alterations in the other person's body. Okay, and then I try to think that that is a mirror of what I feel. That way I'm able to understand. यहाँ ये बोला है comparable mental condition, right? Then what happens? Contemporary philosophical perspectives. There are other modern perspectives on social understanding build upon this. So if I say build upon this, that means they take compassion and they say that yes, it is possible to understand the consciousness of others. Then he gives us some theories here, hypothesis and replication. Replication में as similarity, I mean replication is what? Copying, emulation, mimicking. So the name suggests similarity. Reasoning, hypothesis, the name tells us logical. सो यहाँ बोला रेप्लिकेशन थियरीज फोकस ऑन सिमिलैरिटी एंड यहाँ पे इंटरनल रेप्लिकेशन ओके एंड देन ये वाला पोर्शन न्यूरो साइंटिफिक एंड ऑल आई एम इग्नोरिंग मिरर सेल्स ऑब्वियसली इग्नोर द अदर अप्रोच of conceptualizing known as this hypothesis theory here puts emphasis on logical nature of compassion. Comprehending the consciousness is based on logical conclusions about the other's conduct. Conduct bole to connected with society, connected with how you deal with others. Done. Now both approaches, इसमें जो ये दोनों बोला है, रीडियन पे जो बिल्ड किया, पहले रीडियन था, रीडियन पे बिल्ड करके ये दोनों आए 1 and 2 hypothesis and similarity, ये replication जो भी, both approaches have been criticized for being mentalistic because both say compassion chalega, compassion leke we can understand others consciousness. Mentalistic are those conceptions of the consciousness that consider this. Okay, why are they criticized? Only for itself, then it becomes solipsistic. Solipsism is what? Solipsism is only I, me, myself. यह मीनिंग दिया है, द कॉन्सेप्ट दैट वी कैन ओनली कॉम्प्रिहेंड आवर ओन दिस, जो कि रूसो ने बोला था. So both the theories are criticized for being mentalistic. Mentalistic converts it to, mentalistic connects it with, results in solipsism. हो गया? You can skim a little bit comprehending, okay, अच्छा, उसको further explain कर रहा है. Comprehending what others experience occurs indirectly, not directly. Right? Compassion, something, ye, wo, I'm skimming this concept. Contradicts lay conceptions of this, okay. Now, I'm going to read the last 4 lines because these are again talking about Reidian view, जो second para में जिसके ऊपर build up ये सब हुआ था. Or with the words of Marcus Feldman, the traditional Reidian view on compassion suggests that the subject who comprehends the other individual is not engaging with the other individual so much as engaging with an internally replicated self of his own thing, model of himself, right? This means what? Genuine question is connected with this. The last 2 lines of the passage are always important. They are a question pocket. Genuine second person engagement is this. Even if you're not able to understand too much after going through this passage this way, please do not fret. What is where is so clear in this passage. First para mein Rousseau, then Reid. Then second para mein there are 2 theories that he gives us. Third mein he says both are criticized. Why? Because they both tend to be mentalistic. Mentalistic is solipsistic. Right? Done. Itna kafi hai. I'll go over to the questions. So isme pehle to, yeah, number 1 I would want to do this. Replication and hypothesis. You know, as the first step, I would go back and quickly check replication hypothesis. नाम से तो पता है कि हाँ क्या क्या बोला है इसने, right? I'm going to just make a quick chart here. Replication, hypothesis. Hypothesis is आपका logical. Excuse me. हाँ. Conclusion. Okay. आपका उसने बोला है यहाँ पे conduct. Excuse me, something is wrong with me. I'm sorry. Conduct, okay. And here replication is mirror, right? यहाँ this is connected with यहाँ देखो ये replication theories proposing comprehend mental condition, emotions, okay. Mental conditions, not mentalism, mental conditions, emotions. Look at the options. The pattern is like former, latter, former, latter. So former is replication. I have placed it here. Latter is hypothesis. I have placed it here. You know, एक quick trick यहाँ पे करने के लिए. Second one वाला logical होना चाहिए. Conclusion होना चाहिए. Conduct से related होना चाहिए. Conduct is आप कमरे में अकेले कैसे अपने आप को behave करें, that is not conduct. Conduct is when you connect with others. Okay. So check the second one. Latter is based on the emphasis on social understanding explanation. Okay. Social understanding explanation. रखते हैं इसको. The latter suggests that we use logical comprehension. I like this. Okay. Okay. Based on personal comprehension, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. This should be logical. Latter rejects the concept of compassion. Rejects complete ये देख रहे हो आप, ये दोनों these come across as extreme words to me, so इनको मैं consider नहीं करूंगी. For the time being I'm going to put it on the shelf. ये और ये eliminated, I'm left with 1 and 2. It is this easy. Yes. So now you just read the difference between the two and try to prove one. The former is based on the philosophical explanation of the Reidian perspective. Hang in there. Both are based on the philosophical explanation. Both are based on Reidian perspective. एक को क्यों ले रहा है? Replication, I mean, this is not the difference between the two, na? The question is saying the difference between the two. So if this is the difference, so this is based on Reidian while the other one is based on something else. No, both are based on Reidian, right? So this is out. This one is left. Let's check this. The former suggests that we comprehend the mental condition, okay, by a subjective comprehension, emotions, and the latter suggests logical comprehension. The best one. Answer is 2. Very, very moderate question. And very fast you could have done this. Okay. Then, ये करूंगी नहीं है तो लास्ट में करूंगी, ये नहीं, ये इस पे चलते हैं. अभी ये क्या कह रहा है? Genuine second person, last line जो है, most aligned with this statement, right? Abhi, as the first step, just go there and see what he says. He says here, this para is about criticism, mentalistic is solipsistic, right? पूरे में explanation उसका आया है. This means, this concept, ये वो. Then he says here, this means what? The genuine second person engagement is transformed to a first person. Means, बहुत ही अच्छा सा लाइन है. कहने का मतलब, if you and I sit together, if I treat you as a second person, it will be a genuine connection. I'm the first person, you are the second person. In this case, what is happening? The second person engagement that was earlier genuine is transformed to a first person internal process. I'm transforming it to connect it with myself. I, me, myself. इसीलिए तो criticize हुआ है इसको, criticism मिला है इसको. Right? Go back to this. Yeah. Traditional perspectives of compassion transform it to be merely an internal process. Merely an internal process, no. This is getting connected with solipsism. This is getting connected. ये inferential question है, you know, like good inference, good rephrasing. So I'm just showing you how to do this. अभी मैंने आपको दिखाया पीछे जाके कैसे उसको connect किया मैंने with the introduction of the para. Merely an internal process? No. Traditional perspectives transform it to be merely an internal, no. ये बोला है second person first person, genuine second person वाला interaction हो सकता था. You're not doing it that way. You are transforming it into first person, जो कि selfish type वाला हो गया, solipsistic हो गया. So this is out. If the Reidian perspective were to be accurate, Reidian theory ही है वो, then compassion would be solipsistic, correct? There is no method of comprehending extreme. A first person perspective gives more clarity to the concept. This goes against the tone. Then why will he say a genuine second person wala isme transform ho jata hai? First person perspective gives more clarity. That becomes solipsistic. That becomes mentalistic. This is eliminated. 2 is your answer. Very, very moderate. अब तो ना मैं ये पैसेज में से 2 क्वेश्चंस करके निकल सकती हूँ. I'll go on to the other passage and see if there are easy, like moderate type questions there also. But अभी चलो हमें तो 3rd और 4th भी करना है, तो ये वाला करते हैं. Reidian perspective. Reidian perspective of compassion क्या है? Compassion हम रखेंगे तो it mirrors, हमारा उसका similar हो जाता है. हमें लगता है कि हम दोनों के बीच similarity है, उसकी पीड़ा मेरी है, मेरी पीड़ा उसकी है. We have to support it. If you perceive someone experience distress, then in the act of envisioning it, imagining it, connecting it, you experience the distress too. You feel, oh, ये तो मेरी situation है. This is supporting it. Good. It is a mistake to assume that the other experiences the same way as one would oneself experience in the same circumstances. Why would it be a mistake to assume? Reidian ने तो वही बोला ना, compassion. No, Reidian ने बोला हाँ ऐसा होता है. Mistake to assume, eliminated. It is impossible for one individual to adequately comprehend. This is going opposite of what the Reidian theory said, eliminated. No one can ever comprehend how another individual experiences. अच्छा, ये देख लो आप. No one को चलो अगर मैं हटा भी देती हूँ. People cannot comprehend how other individual experiences, how other people experience or contemplate, since everyone has distinctive. So this is weakening. You get my point? उसने बोला there is some similarity between me and you. If I translate your experience into the first person experience by putting in compassion and empathy, I can understand what you're going through. ये कह रहा है everybody has distinctive experiences, so ना भाई ना ये तो ना मतलब no, we cannot do that. So then this is weakening it completely. So take the ज्ञान point, अगर कोई भी critical reasoning का support या weaken होता है उसमें options में एक उल्टा जरूर देगा. This is asking you to support, weaken वाला होगा जरूर. Weaken वाला पूछता, support वाला जरूर होता. Got it? So this is weakening it. This is your answer. Again, a very moderate level question. Okay, had it been a difficult critical reasoning question, I would have told you clearly, भाई इसमें time लगेगा. ये बहुत आसानी से मिल रहा है अगर आपको Reidian theory clear है तो. We are left with the last one. Now, this says what? Those who support this most likely to believe which of this. Okay, question क्या कह रहा है? इसको decode कर लो पहले. So, those who support the lay conception, last para में है, comprehending others, are most likely to believe which one of the following about the view that subject who. Okay. पहले इसको जाके ना ये पढ़ लो आप. Yeah. This concept contradicts lay conceptions of comprehending others. तो lay conceptions वाले क्या बोलेंगे? Lay conceptions बोले तो raw conceptions. Lay conceptions वाले क्या बोलेंगे? Which tend to view compassion as a form of comprehending by direct familiarity. So, author कह रहा है it is not direct familiarity. Indirect connection बनता है. ये कहाँ गया यहाँ? Results in this, हाँ, indirectly and retrospectively. Okay, but lay conceptions वाले क्या बोलेंगे? They tend to view compassion as a form of comprehending by direct familiarity. Or with the words of this, अब question पे चलो. Those who support the lay conception, okay, so direct बोलते हैं ये लोग, right? Direct connection है. Most likely to believe which one of the following about? Subject who comprehends the other individual is engaging with an internally replicated model of himself, simulating to be the other individual. Right. Now, simulating to be the other individual. Simulating to be the other individual, यहाँ पे देखो कैसा है. I'll show you. यहाँ, here, right? So here he says, or with the words of this, the traditional Reidian view on compassion suggests that the subject who comprehends the other individual is not engaging with the other individual so much as with himself. Right? ये कह रहा है direct familiarity with the other person. This one, जो आपको question में दिया है portion, this one says, I don't have a direct familiarity with you. I'm trying to get familiar with you based on what I think about myself. I'm translating it to suit myself. So I'm falling in connection with myself, not with you. ठीक है? So direct familiarity वाले जो लोग बोलते हैं, ये lay conception वाले बोलेंगे direct connection, direct familiarity with others. ये कह रहा है ये हम अपने आप से connect कर रहे हैं, direct नहीं है. So these two are opposite things. It contradicts the comprehension of neuroscience. This is out of scope. Neuroscience mentioned hai, but then this does not go against neuroscience. It is invalidated by the contemporary comprehension of compassion. No. Contemporary comprehension of compassion is kind of connected with it, because तभी तो वो criticize हो रहा है as being solipsistic, right? So this is eliminated. We are left with 3 and 4. It is not considered to be a valid assertion because they believe in direct connection. ये actually हो रहा है अपने आप से connect and then connecting with others. So उनके लिए ये valid नहीं होगा, मतलब ये opposite चला जा रहा है. This is good. It seems solipsistic, but it is a persuasive. Solipsistic तो मैं फिर भी connect कर लूँ with the first line of the para. But then persuasive, how do we know from the paragraph? I just read it with you. Persuasive है कि नहीं है तो पता ही नहीं चला. So because of this, I won't take it. This should be your answer. Okay. This question you could have left. थोड़ा सा tricky है ये. But the other three, definitely 100% moderate. I hope all the explanations are clear. All the elimination process is clear to you. Thank you so much. I'm going to see you again. Keep learning.